La kufika umuntu ethi Babu Dokotela, I need your help. I trust in you. I know you can always help me. Nginikeze ingilosi engizosebenza ngayo. Nginikeze ingilosi njengobani konje uthe ubani abuzo konje uthe ubani ngilosi njengoMetatron nginike yona. You don't choose. When it comes to ngilosi oqhamuka ngonotayo lokuyinwani konje uthe ubani ugadela. I no. Akuchuzwa lapha mkhulu, akuchuzwa. I am responsible. Angisoli futhi angixolisi. I am responsible to release 7 cardinal angels. Meaning the cardinal, the highest angels, archangels to you. Your immediate favor. Ungabe ubanjwe i-cancer njengamanje akwenzeki lutho. Ngizokhulula ingilosi yakho. Njengamanje. As long if wazi usikhuluma ngani and you got the sacrifice. I'll release the angel for you. Kungabe unebandla but alikhuli. As long if you've got a sacrifice, I will release an angel that you and your church will start to multiply. The crowd will start to come. The crowd will start to flow. But for a church, if I give you this angel, get me indwangu emhlophe nendwangu ebovu. Le angel ifuna lo mbala. Thole into esibiza ukuthi ilobani nempepha amaRoma. Noma just get a frankincense. Le ngilosi ifuna iphunge limnandi. Burn the frankincense. Khanyisa lamakhandlela lawa abe u7 ngeke kutshela umbala. Musu ubeka le ndwangu lezi. At the center, shisa le frankincense. And thereafter command this angel kusukela ngolwesithathu kuze kube umgqibelo. This angel will surprise you. Awukwazi ukusho wena ukuthi ufuna iphi ingilosi, and I cannot just meet someone on the social media Babu Dokotela ozwakala isinyoni eyodwa le ingilosi safuna ukuzwa ukuthi ijiva kanjani. No, it does not work like that. And yabantu abasebene maturity, othi Babu Dokotela, I'm in deep debt. Ngiseyikweletini Babu Dokotela, ngiseyizikweletini awukho ngihola uminus. I need your help. I'm dealing with those people. I'm talking to someone othi Babu Dokotela nginama truck asemayini. Guess what? Ngikhanda kuphela. Ayikho into enzekayo. I've got a seed to sacrifice. Angikhulumi na ngemoto mina engenama trucks. Angikhulumi ngemoto mina ezolungisa icylinder head. Angizokhanda imoto zami. Yithi khuluma ngomuntu othi Babu Dokotela, I've got a sacrifice. I need to sacrifice something, but give me the angel.